Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, room 5. How do you do? Good morning, guys. Hope everybody's feeling excellent. I hope you all are feeling excellent. All right, so let's go into our calendar. Let's see. So as we know, we were in the month of March, but March is finished. Yesterday was the last day of March. So now we are in a brand new month. Let's see if we can figure out what month we are in today. Let's sing the months of the year song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, then December. There are 12 months in a year. All right, so since March is finished, we say bye-bye, March. Say bye-bye, March. All right, and now we say hello, April. We are in the month of April. What do you notice on our month of April? What do you see here? We see a frog, and he's holding up umbrellas. Umbrellas. Why do you think the frog is holding umbrellas? What do you think is happening? It might be raining, right? And that's why you carry an umbrella, for the rain. And in April, it rains a lot. It rains a lot in April. There's a saying that says, April showers bring May flowers. So in April, it rains a lot. So in the next month, which is May, the flowers grow. Because what do flowers need to grow? They need water in order to grow. So all the water that happens in April helps all the flowers and plants to grow. And by next month, in May, you see a lot more flowers, right? So we are in the month of April. Okay, let's see what day of the week it is. So yesterday was Tuesday. If yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And I don't want to confuse you. This was the last day of March, so it went all the way up to 31. So now we start all over. So instead of it being 32, if you start over, you go all the way to the first number. So what is the first number? Today would be April number... April number 1. It's April number 1. So this was March 31, the last day of March. This is April 1, April 1st, the first day of April. So just so we don't get confused, tomorrow and the next day, I'm going to take these down. Because we are now in April. March is finished. So April 1. All right, if today is April 1, Wednesday, April 1st, what is tomorrow? What number would tomorrow be? All right, think about that. All right, so we are still talking about our brand new unit of plants. And this week we're just asking, what is a plant? What is that? So some of you gave some really good responses to our question, what is a plant? Zachary gave us a ton of responses. He said plants need water and sunlight, and Sudi gave us some good responses. And Lance, so thank you guys for all your responses, and Ava, perfect. So you guys know so much about plants, right? So now we're going to talk a little bit more about plants, but I'm going to skip ahead and go to red versus yellow. So let's see. Let's see how many red we had today. We have, easy number, we have 3. You guys should know that without even counting. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 red. And also another easy number. Let's see how many yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one's more? Yellow, of course, because 3 is smaller than 5. It is the least. And yellow is the greatest. It's the most because 5 is bigger than 3. All right. Good job. All right. So now we're going to go into talking about plants a little bit more. And I have a song for us, a little song or like poem that we're going to look at. It's called The Parts of a Plant. All right, so let's go and look at our Parts of a Plant song. All right. So we have the song here. Hold on, let me make sure you can see the whole thing. All right. So here we go. So with every section, it tells us a little bit about the part of that plant, right? So this part of the song says, the roots grow from the seed. The roots grew from the seed. They get the water the plant needs. The roots grow from the seed. So here, down here, we have the seed, and you see that the roots, they grow out from the seed, and it's all the way down in the dirt. And the roots help the plant to get the water, right? So all the rain that might fall, the roots drink it up, right? And so the roots get all the water that the plant needs to grow. Let's see the next part. The stem is straight and tall. The stem is straight and tall. Without the stem, the plant would fall. The stem is straight and tall. So the part of the plant that is straight and tall is the stem. Everybody say stem. Stem. And without the stem, the plant would fall over. It keeps it nice and strong. If it didn't have a stem, it would fall. But it also works like a straw, and it drinks up all the water, right? And the water travels through the plant. So it drinks up the water from the roots like a straw. All right. Next, we have the next section. Let's see. The leaves are flat and wide. The leaves are flat and wide. They help the plant get lots of light. The leaves are flat and wide. So here are the leaves. Everybody say leaves. Leaves. The leaves are flat and wide, and they help the sun get lots of light. So they're so flat and wide that the light shines down on them, and it helps the plant get all the nutrients from the sunlight, because remember, plants need sun also, right? So the leaves help the plant absorb all the light from the sun, right? And the last section is the flowers smell so sweet. The flowers smell so sweet. They make the nectar that bees eat. The flowers smell so sweet. All right. So here is the part of the flower. This part is the flower. The colorful parts of the flower are the petals. Everybody say petals. Petals. The petals are the colorful parts of the flower. So we see different types of flowers, and they all have beautiful petals, right? Let's see if I can find a picture for you guys. Here I have a picture of other flowers, right? And they have different color petals, right? Okay, so the flower, the bee lands on the flower, and it gets pollen and nectar, right? And it gets all over the body, and the bees take it and they bring it to their homes, the hives, or they move around with it. And when they move around and they land on different things, it drops off the pollen in different places, and the pollen creates seeds and things like that, and it's what causes more flowers to grow, right? So the flower is very helpful in the plants being able to grow in other places, all right, if that makes sense. All right, so that's our parts of the plant song. We have roots, stem, leaves, and flower. Pretty tricky, but I think you guys got it. All right, guys, see you in the next video.